Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my 6-month-old, yes, 6-month-old baby boy's nursery tour. Okay y'all, so if you hear a little person in the background, just know that I have some little company here before nap time. So when you first walk in, you see his welcome sign and baby Arnold, little decal, which is super cute. Moving down, we have a trash can and a diaper pail. Coming over to his dresser, we have this beautiful white dresser. I'll try to link everything down below, or I'll try to link it in my Amazon store. So this is what it looks like zoomed in. This is his ultrasound picture. So we got the picture frame from TJ Maxx. His changing pad is from Amazon. His mom Frida humidifier. And let me know if you guys want to see an organization of the diaper caddy. I will surely record a video for that. We have his rocking chair and a blanket that we received as a gift. He has some green curtains from Amazon. The curtain rod is from Walmart. His aunt made him this clothing rack that we turned into a toy basket. That's my old bear over there, and then the little bear is his ultrasound sound animal. These picture frames are from Hobby Lobby, and we went with like a green safari theme. The crib is from Wayfair. Sheets are from Amazon. My best friend made this pillow. Plant and pot. Not too sure where that one came from. My friend got it. The rug is from Wayfair. The baby mobile is from Amazon. Boppy pillow. His laundry basket. I'm debating if I'm going to keep it in here or put it in his bathroom. But for right now, I like it because I can take his clothes off here and then just throw it in here. His bookshelves are from Amazon. My best friend made the Once Upon a Time. My best friend made the Once Upon a Time logo to go on the wall. So overall, I'm very pleased with his room. Again, I'll do a quick overview. He just has a safari boho theme. Not overly safari, but just a nice clean slate. He has a TV up here. If you guys want to see any more baby content, just leave the suggestions down below and I'll do my best to try and do it. With me having a little one now, I know I have a lot to update you guys on, but I look forward to doing that. Thanks so much for watching.